Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable eye tracking on your iPhone running iOS 18. So with eye tracking, you can control your iPhone using just your eyes. So basically there's an on-screen pointer which follows the movement of your eyes, and when you look at the item and hold or gaze steady or dwell at it, you'll basically perform an action such as tapping or maybe scrolling up and down. So let me show you how to enable this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to go ahead and tap on accessibility. Now here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see eye tracking, which is right here. This will be in physical and motor section. Go ahead and tap on that. And now you want to go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. So now once you do this, you'll need to show your face and you need to follow the dot as the eyes move. So as it reads, eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. And as you can see, it has now been set up. And I'm using my eyes to actually scroll up and down. And there you go guys, that is how to enable eye tracking on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.